Why does your stomach make that loud gurgling sound when you're hungry? It's not just your stomach crying for food. That sound, called borborygmus, comes from your intestines, not your stomach. When you're hungry, your brain tells your digestive system to start cleaning up. It sends waves of muscle contractions to sweep leftover food and air down the line. As gas and liquids move through your gut, they make those gurgling noises. So it's basically your digestive system going, "All right, ready for the next meal?" It happens all day. But it's just louder when your stomach is empty because there's no food to muffle it. If your stomach made a sound just now, hit like and subscribe. Got a weird body question? Leave it in the comments. And I might break it down next.